afternoon, everybody. Starting off pretty active here. Had three thunderstorm warnings, two of them which are in the U.S., the other two are in Canada at the moment. Uh, okay, I don't need that open anymore. I'm going. Oh my gosh, that is terrible. Hold on. Let me adjust the. I think that's better. Okay. Let me transition back over to the other. No? Oh, maybe. Alright. Discussing this tornado warning that just dropped, actually. It was not supposed to drop yet, but it has. Um, that is our closest radar at the moment, so we'll go ahead and take a look on velocity at this storm. No, that is not the closest radar, I do not believe. Now we'll use our handy dandy measurement tool here. 113, 83. So why was that not picking that up? 92. We'll go ahead and do this one. Actually, let's use the one that's 92 miles out. Okay, it looks like that rotation has decreased significantly. Still a severe thunderstorm warning on this, though. Well, let me go ahead and pull up my chat here just so I have that up. Okay, there we go. Not much else to really discuss at the moment. Pennsylvania has that's the one. And then over in Illinois, there's just a random severe thunderstorm warning down here. Isolated cells, which if these get going, these could be present with a tornado threat. Looking at our SPC outlooks here. Severe weather, there we go. Day one. Okay, whoa. Whoa. Okay, surprise slight risk. I will go ahead and get a thing pulled up here. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. I apologize for the echo that has been happening. I did not realize that there was an echo. Oh my gosh, there's multiple echoes. Actually, I need to remove this. Turn that all the way down. Turn this all the way down and mute it. Alright, Pull this up over here so it's not minimized. Cancel actually. Properties. Google. Okay. Properties. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look at our severe other weather outlook for today, excuse me. Pin. Aha, there we go. That's why it was being all weird. Oh my goodness, this thing is more difficult than trying to kill a chicken. Alright, looking at our weather, that is day 3, day 2, day 1. So the only tornado threat is we have a pretty significant area under this 5% here, Ohio and Pennsylvania. Our wind, 15% for wind, and then hail is just a 5%. So we have 3 areas that we need to monitor today that are all under a slight risk. 1, 2, and 3. The only tornado threat that we have today is up here. So I forgot to transition, so I will have to explain this to you again. Oh my goodness. Back over. I need to get a stream deck. We can go ahead and turn that off since we don't need it. Severe weather off. This is the difference between Canada and the US. Take a look at that. Canada, you take up half of a state with a severe warning when there's not even any severe weather or really any weather going on down here. The severe part of the storm is just right through here, this line from about here down to here, maybe a little portion here. There's not even really anything except some sprinkles going on down here, and there's a severe thunderstorm warning. Same with this. These are just all rain showers up in this area. Really only the severe part is down here in this area. So you come over to the US, United States. This is accurate. The severe weather, or the severe part of the storms are stretching from here, that little part, and then down into here as well. You only need a warning for this part here. Not half of the state, 4 states, guess they call them provinces in Canada, but you don't need a big old warning box. So, obviously, their meteorology schools in Canada are like off-brand or something. Going back down here, we don't really have anything significant at this time except nothing actually. I think this is gonna be, yeah, that's becoming isolated. We need to start watching this part of the storm down here. Looks like it could have possibly a hail core in it that's not severe warned, but we'll take a look at our correlation coefficient. Yep, there's your hail core right there. I would say probably just bigger than quarter-sized hail, maybe 1.25 inches and 1.1 1/4 inch sized hail with that. So take a look back at our reflectivity. Nothing going on in Missouri yet. Nope. Few rain showers, but another rain shower up here. Nothing to worry about at this time, though. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. I don't want to get a copyright. Look at this. Almost the whole province being taken up by severe thunderstorm warnings. Like, this brings back PTSD of, like, high school math. Find where the 90-degree angle is. Oh, right here. Find where the opposite 90-degree angle is. Right here. Great, now find the adjacent angle and find x squared plus b squared equals x squared. Right here. X to the second times 3. Oh, I'm so glad I'll never have to take another math class in my life because, oof. I could tell you what 2 plus 2 is, but I can't tell you x to the second power times x times z times y. Need to pull back up my Googler. Facebook. Okay, so I need to pull back up my chat. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Is I'm just going to pull it up on here. We will talk about the tropical storm probably once we get a break in the stream. I do need to go to my channel though. Alright. I will be right back because I have to get a phone or a charger for my phone. A phone for my charger. Alright. Alright, while everything is calm, I am going to go get a phone charger real quick. Yeah, look at this. Like, severe thunderstorm warnings, probably 200 miles out from the storm. 158 miles from the storm. From the real severe part of the storm, 164. Like, this is insane, guys. It's honestly insane. Canada. Environment Canada. Oof. Y'all need to start learning from the National Weather Service. I don't want special weather statements on. Radar settings. Nope. So, looking at our tornado watches, we have huge area for tornado watch. All of this yellow that you see here, all the way over from basically Akron, Akron, Ohio, all the way down to almost the border here, and then all the way over. All the way over to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and then all the way up to the New York. Wait, where's New York City at? I've always wondered where it's at. Wait, is New York City in New York? Where's it at? There's Queensbury. So is New York City just not on the map anymore? Like, oh, there it is. This is all New York City, I guess. And then I believe, not sure where the Statue of Liberty is. I really want to go to New York City sometime. I'd probably take an Uber all the time, but I have to go get a phone charger for my phone. I'll be right back. Alright. Oh my goodness. Run that down through, actually. This is why you need long phone cords. What? Alright, I need to get my phone charging port cleaned out because it is significantly not charging. Okay. Guess the chair is just short for this new desk. I really want to get a new desk. I was about to say, I knew that was in the U.S. Knew it. Here's the country of Alaska. I know it's a state, but holy cow, it is a big state. That I consider it a country. The country of Alaska. Oh, say, can you see? So trapping the tropics. Nice. Tracking the tropics. Tropical weather. So right now our system is out here. Tropical storm barrel. When it gets to here, it's 7 p.m. So here in about 6 hours, it will be a hurricane. As it approaches, once it gets over St. George's, over Kingstown, Bridgetown, all these islands out here, it will be a Category 3 hurricane, which is a major hurricane. It will stay a Category 3 all the way up until till south of Kingston, and then it'll finally become a Category 1 hurricane as soon as it reaches Georgetown. So there could be possibly a couple of different scenarios that happen with this. The reason it's going to slow down once it gets to this area is all of this area has wind shear. What wind shear basically is if you've ever flew on an airplane and you have turbulence, that is wind shear. So hurricanes absolutely hate wind shear. Wind shear will kill this faster than weed killer will kill a plant. So that is why we're seeing that decrease. Actually, I believe we could actually look at this on radar. Maybe not. Oh, satellite radar. Here we go. Why is there a random camera out in the middle of the ocean? Okay. I gotta handle something real quick. Alright. High res velocity. I don't understand why this is not picking. Oh, that is why. Nope, still not working. What the heck? This makes no sense. It's not that far away from the radar. Oh, actually, yes, it is. 108. So this is our best bet for looking at radar right now, which is pathetic. We have some very, very weak rotation right here. Appears it might be tightening again. Something we definitely gotta watch. We only have one severe, two of them out right now. One is up in Michigan. So not much going on at the moment. We do have possibly a little bit of rotation in the storm right here. But other than that, nothing that looks imminent. In my opinion, this could possibly have, which it doesn't, but it could have a tornado possible tag on it. Take a look at our. I want to see where the hail thing is. Oh yeah, that. So right here is where that hail core was that is warned for this quarter-sized hail. Oh my goodness. Nothing real significant going on right now. Not sure. Alright, sorry guys, I'm looking at a stream deck for this. There's nothing really significant going on right now I need to be reporting on, so in the meantime, I'm going to look for a stream deck. And honestly, what I think I'm going to do is probably take a break from chasing for a good while and just do radar coverage. Because that's what'll be best for me. So. All right. I don't know what color of streaming desk I should get. I really like this white one, or this black one. I mean, 48 inches. We'll add that to our cart. Also need to find another PC here. Probably soon. It'll probably be coming up soon that I need to do it, but because this one is getting old, and I'll probably use it as a backup PC. Oh, I don't know what to get. Everything is so expensive. Monitors are getting crazy expensive these days. Honestly, do they have? I want a 32-inch monitor for the middle, which it's kind of hard finding those for my price range that I have, but that's not curved either. I don't know why. I hate curved monitors, just like I hate curved or squatted trucks. Oof, hate them. They annoy me. $32-inch curved monitor. No. Wonder if Best Buy has any. $129 for 24-inch. 27-inch. Heck with it. Just get a 27-inch. 25 inches too small. $27 curved. Nope. Is this flat screen? Yes, it is, but it's now I need to find a monitor mount. Which will probably be tricky as well to find a decent mount. Holy cow, this is getting up there. I'm already up to $2,338.80. What I'll probably do is I'll sell all this crap that I have, including this green screen back behind me, possibly. Even though I just bought it like 9 days ago and just got it today, but we'll see. We'll see what all happens. Of course, now it doesn't want to work. Okay, there we go. $2,450.78 is what I've got right now. Whew, that is pricey. What the? Alright, back to radar coverage. Just the Canada storms. Oh, one up here. What the? Are you telling me that this is all one warning? You have got to be kidding me, Canada. What is wrong with you guys? This is like... This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. Like, honestly, embarrassing. Look at this. Canada tries and build houses with their freaking warnings. Is that what their goal is? Because it sure looks like it. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning, I guess. What? Okay. We'll take a look at velocity on that, because I'm not too sure that might not be rotating. At least a little bit. Oh, it's so far from the radar, it's hard to tell. Dang it. Actually, it's not that far, is it? Okay, there we go. No, there's not. We'll take a look at our hail core, and I'll show you exactly where that hail core is from the latest scan. Correlation coefficient is really good at finding that. I'm not seeing it. Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know if that's like birds or what. Birds and the bees, because after that it kind of weakens and then disperses. It's strange. The mysterious correlation coefficient that one will never know. So there's your hail core right there. However, I believe it's right here now. So much pollution in this that... Not pollution, contamination. Yep. So this purple right here is most likely your hail core. This here. This here. This smaller hail within this region, most likely. Going back to the storms over here, I'm not. These are dying out. Like this, the threat up here is done. So today doesn't look like much happened. So far, that's what it's looking like. I'm gonna take a look at my phone. Don't know what that was about. All right. Today is absolutely going to crap. I'm not gonna lie. So Not gonna lie to you. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a look at bottles and see if the initiation times have changed. So yeah, it does not look like stuff is gonna go down like expected today. So the stream may end earlier than I was planning on it. So we'll just see what happens. Um, Okay, I did some reading of the mesoscale discussion and looked at some models here. So all these clusters of cells right here, we should expect to start picking up soon. So see what all happens with them, and then something major could come out of this, and it could just be another day, another bust. We literally have nothing going on right now. Um, so here, shortly within the next 30 minutes to an hour, we should expect initiation to start picking up. So let me go here. We do have a sufficient amount of potential storm energy. Photographs are not looking the best, but they're looking okay for a few tornadoes. Almost 4,000, just over 4,000 CAPE in a region that I'm looking at right now, which is decently high for CAPE. That's something you'd usually see out in the Central Plains, out in Oklahoma and Texas. 4,500 CAPE, 5,000 CAPE is what I'm looking at. I just saw those values. So here very, very soon we should start seeing some initiation if storms can get going in those environments. Alright, so, sorry, I've been looking at models to see what all could possibly go down, but I just don't know. I don't think that today will verify at all. Take a look at echo tops here, see how they're going up. All this is just a bunch of general rain showers. Nothing significant at all. There's just not a lot for this stuff to get going right now. QLCS are my favorite types of events to cover because, I mean, especially when you could possibly have the chance for QLCS tornadoes because you're actually looking all the time and it's not just sitting here being bored. You gotta actually look hard for stuff. Oh, rotation. Right in here. Very broad, very weak, but I want to see what type of, yep, curves right there. It's getting that hook shape to it on the back end of it, so this could become supercellular. Just not strong enough right now. 55 decibels. Any closer radar? No. Same with this cell right here. Classic supercellular shape. Look at that. That is beautiful right there. Classic supercell. effects. Anything that can basically get going within this environment, all through here, all down here, is what we're really watching for. As we do expect some tornadoes today, so usually when I use the B word, the bust, stuff gets going. So that's always how it works. And as we can see, 30 minutes ago, I said bust. And what do we have now? We have a bunch of cells popping up on radar. So New severe thunderstorm warning. Okay. 60-mile-an-hour winds and 0.88 inch hail. So, first thing we need to look at. This looks to kind of be outflow dominant right now. Have little itty bitty. We do have some rotation on it right here, I do believe, and then maybe a little bit there. So, expires in 52 minutes. I think the one up in Michigan has been allowed to expire. Nope, it's still going. So we'll take a look at our correlation coefficient and see where our hail is. Yep, right there. That is where our hail is. Right back in here. Easy peasy to spot. So do want to look at echo tops because that looks like it is becoming super cellular. Echo top. Oh, that's not what I want. Never mind. Guess I could look at echo tops. You kidding me with this? Is it really dying out? Storm relative velocity. Higher spectrum width. Yep, there's your hail core right there as well. I don't know if this is just getting far away from the radar. What we got going on. It's not far away from the radar. And it's only 38 miles, which is prime distance to really see stuff. So when I was talking about supercellular, makes this J hook shape back here on the end of it. You can see that hook right there starting to form. Alright, that hook right there is starting to intensify, so this right here is our main focus right now, is that storm. Usually with these types of storms, your hook's going to be on this side like this. However, it's on this side like this time, so it may not be a supercell. We'll just see what it does in the next few radar scans here. So this storm here is starting to rotate a little bit. Right back in that region there. I want to go back up here and look at this other one as well. Oh yeah, right there. It's very weak, very broad, but still something to keep an eye on as storms are starting to intensify as expected. Blackwick, interesting town name. So this whole line of storms up here, if it goes severe for anything, it'll be for winds. That is a terrible line. This here be for winds, and it'll move off in this direction. So maybe some hail embedded in there too. But if any of that stayed discrete, then we would be talking about a possible tornado threat with those storms. But it doesn't look like it right now. You also have these cells starting to emerge over there, so that'll probably kill your tornado threat with that. So, any of these more discrete storms, especially these down here, that is a terrible color to have. My bad. We'll go with the white. Especially these down here. Those are what we really need to be watching. Not so concerned as these up here because they don't look as impressive. I believe there is a weak capping inversion up within this environment right now, and that's what's keeping these from really getting going. So I don't think you have really any cap back in that environment because those storms are going up pretty quick and looking pretty good. No rotation on them thus far. We'll take a look at our hail, or correlation coefficient, excuse me. Not looking to be any hail with that yet, so echo tops, we'll take a look at those. It's kind of, these storms are sketchy. Looking at our hail on this, I'm not able to spot it. We will take a look at something else here. Yep. So this here is 60 mile an hour winds. There really isn't much hail, but this whole line right here, this bluish greenish color is where your winds are, and it's moving off up this way. It's only 60 mile an hour winds as of now, which will blow some tree limbs down, but no damage to houses is usually present with 60 mile an hour winds. So another good thing for looking at hail is this, but Not really seeing. Oh, Canada finally decided to. This is Michigan, never mind. So, with their quarter size tail, this is a good example of it right here. Excuse me, this is all winds. Hail is also good on that spectrum. That's what we're on. Hydrometer classification. So this basically shows you where the heaviest precipitation and or hail is. Bean, 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 bean. Making sure all my stuff is working on my YouTube like it should be. Beatingberry. PDS severe thunderstorm warning. What? Minnesota. Nothing in Minnesota. What? Mackinac Island. Alright. Bunch of isolated cells, and that's it right now. Really need to be watching this Ohio, Pennsylvania border here shortly. All right, going back to this one, I don't. It's all of this is congealing into a line. So the severe threat, wind wise increases with this, but the severe threat tornado wise decreases if all of this congeals into a line. Which is what it's looking like is happening. Really need to be watching this one back here near Morgantown and Kingwood, because that is starting to look more impressive. That's not what I want. Echo tops. That is, yeah, echo tops of 47,000 feet and growing. So this could be the sell of the day, because this is getting ready to congeal into a line with that. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this get extended again, because hail core. We do still have a pretty significant hail core with this right in here. Look at our differential. Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning. I did not see that one coming. So look at our reflectivity. Back up here to Marquette, excuse me. I want to look at our hydrometer classification. Oh yeah, look at that. That is insane. Giant hail. Little hail. Hail. Hail, really. That's not what they stand for, but I'm just making that up. SLC, scary looking clouds. What is the know what is going on, but the connection is starting to become crap, which should not be happening. Serious connection loss. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to fix it.